Aware that I've opened this camera for around 10 times by now and I have no idea what to speak. Like, I have titles, I have things, but there's this, I will post it again and only 40 people will watch it, and those 40 people are going to be from my family. There's this, but I gotta post, I gotta shoot, I gotta say something. Who wants to actually step into self-growth, self-improvement, self-love and all of this good stuff, but you do not want to put a single rupee into that, then welcome to the right place, because I'm going to break down these things for you that I have done to help my self-growth journey without spending any money. Because let's be for real, you want to change your life, but it gets expensive, and everything that is good these days is going on expensive. Like, make it make sense. But we are going to break it down. I am going to try to break it down for you, and I hope, I don't care. If you like it, yay. If you don't, then I need to get better. So here's how I started. I started with first changing the content that I watched. So be it Instagram, be it YouTube, I first started to transition all my feeds. So whatever content, because you know that both of these are algorithm. अब algorithm में कैसा होता है कि अगर आपने ये like किया है तो it will show you 10 ideas similar to that and जो भी है. But let's be real for that. The more you consume, the more you become that. So I started to change that. Firstly, I started to subscribe to those channels who were actually aligning to what I was, wanting to become. I was liking the reels. I was specifically following and unfollowing people who I don't want and I actually wanted, because you have to filter out every noise, every distraction, and then focus on what you want to become. Because see, maximum time you're going to consume, right? आप content देखोगे, YouTube देखोगे, Insta reels देखोगे, shorts देखोगे, and this is how I started it. So the first is always going to be the content, because it does not, you are not spending a single rupee on that. Okay, you're just changing up your feed. You're already watching content, so you are just focusing on what to watch now. Your mind doesn't understand the difference between the reality and what's not real. So you just have to feed it with all the good things so that it starts to believe, okay, this is real. So that was step one for me. Step two, if I have to talk about, is let's talk about the books. So now, I'm not going to say that I didn't spend anything on books, because gradually I started to spend on books. But first I started to download these free PDFs that you get online. There are multiple websites on Google that you can actually find. You can ask ChatGPT to list down those websites where you can find the classics for free, or a specific self-help book, a PDF that you want. So books are something that is actually going to put you there on the map. Because see, अगेन इट्स ऑल अबाउट वॉट यूर कंज्यूमिंग. बिकॉज आपको अपना माइंडसेट चेंज करना है. आप कुछ भी कर लो, चाहे आप कितना अच्छा बोल के देख लो या आप कितना अच्छा एक्ट करके देख लो, बट जब तक आपका माइंडसेट चेंज नहीं होगा, इट इज़ नॉट वर्थ इट एट ऑल. So the second step for me, it was books. So I started downloading this audiobooks, and even on Audible, if you go, you get these Google Pay coupons where you just scratch it and 2 rupees you get 1 credit. So you can actually download audibles and audiobooks, and I used to do that. I still do that. I listen to audiobooks at just 2 rupees. It's a very minimal investment, but it's so worth it. You can actually buy a 1,000 rupee book for just 2 rupees on Audible and listen to it. And once you have downloaded, you can listen to it how many ever times you want. 3 on my list is always going to be the actions and the routines that I have faced, like I have changed. Because there are millions of things, millions of tiny things जो आपकी routine में होती हैं that you have to change. Now I am sitting here, okay, now this is a part of my routine. I want to become a person that I'm dreaming of, and it is not going, I'm not going to achieve that by doing just a 9 to 5 or just posting shorts or reels. I have to talk about it. I have to be real. I have to be here, sit down and make these videos, and this is my action. You have to take action. So first 2 steps, you have defined what you want to become, you have aligned yourself, but then you have to take action. Because if you don't take action, ये सारा जो knowledge हमने लिया था, it's all down the drain. And I speak about this a lot कि we keep planning, we keep thinking, because that is all dramatized. But that जो भी अच्छा हुआ है उसको action में लाना ज़रूरी है, and that is what I am doing to you right now. I have all of this. I want to talk about it, but I never do. Right now I'm so nervous, but I'm still talking about it. So you have to take action. And when it comes to routines, I'm thinking to make separate vlogs or routine videos to show you how I changed that. Because all of those person on internet who tell you have to make your bed, you have to drink this much water, you have to cut down your sugar, you have to drink this, do that, wake up at this time, I don't agree, but rest all is true. You have to incorporate these tiny habits according to yourself, and it will actually help you. Number 4, and this is a very, very, very big one. I cut off a lot of people, be it on my Instagram, in my real life. I have cut down a lot of people that I was in contact with, or they were added on my Instagram, because they just don't align with me. Their thinking doesn't align with me. Even a lot of creative friends that I made during the initial journey, जब मेरे सिर्फ 100 followers थे, अभी भी कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, but जितने भी थे उसमें भी I was very specific that this is what I want. Even if I'm watching funny content या किसी और का funny content, I'm very specific about what I put in my mind. So I'm babbling here for 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes. I'm still nervous, and I don't know how this is going to perform. But that doesn't matter. I'm taking action, and that's what matters. And if you're someone who has actually watched this video till here, just drop a heart, or I don't know, if this helped you, I'm glad. I'm so glad if this helped you, because I'm just trying to document what I'm going through. And meanwhile, if this helps someone, that's great. That's really great. How to start a video and how to finish a video, bro. Like, how to start a video, okay, I can do it. How to finish a video, that becomes a challenge. These are very minute 4 steps, things that literally costed nothing, but actually made a huge difference in my self-growth or self-improvement journey, or self-love journey, for that sort. So if you're someone who really, really, really struggles with, changing their trajectory of life or your mindset, I think these will really help.